Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, today's video is how to write scientific notations. So I will explain you with the help of some questions. So let's start. What is scientific notation actually? In chemistry and physics, when there are numericals, the values are either too big or either too very small. So that creates a problem while we are doing calculations. So to overcome this problem, scientists introduce some kind of scientific notations. This is made to make our calculations easy. So in scientific notation, we will write in the form of n into 10 to the power small n, where capital N is any non-zero number left to the decimal. So we can write any non-zero number left to the decimal, and small n is any number, either it is positive or negative. Any number, either it is positive or negative. So when we are writing any big or very small number in the form of n into 10 to the power n, this is called scientific notations. So let's start. First, our question is 0.0048. So to write this, what we will do, we will move the decimal. So one more thing you should learn is, if decimal is moving towards right side, then the power of 10 should be in negative form. It means that will be minus. And if the decimal is moving towards left side, then the 10 to the power will be always in positive. Let's see how we will do. So in this question number 1, there is decimal and we need to move the decimal till we make the capital N. Capital N is any non-zero number left to the decimal. So we will move in such a way like this, this and this here. So one digit, it means in this case 4 is just before the decimal. So we will write it like 4.8. If we move the decimal towards which side? Right side we moved. So right side, how many steps? 1, 2, 3 steps we move. So we will write it 4.8 into 10 to the power. Now 3 steps. So we will mention 3, and because it is right side, then it is negative 3, minus 3. So simply in only one step we change the normal digit into the scientific notation. This is the answer. Now same thing let's do with other question number 2. Here we have a digit 234000. So if there is decimal is not visible, then we will assume decimal in the last of the digit like this. So this is something like this. Now we need to move the decimal until we will have one non-zero number left to the decimal. So I think the decimal will move to here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. So we will get the number 2.34. 0 we will need not to mention. We will count in the power. And after that we will write 10 raised to the power. Now we move towards, our decimal move towards left side. It means positive sign will be there. And how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer of power is 10 to the power 5. So the scientific notation for the given number is 2.34 into 10 to the power 5. Next question. So if there is no decimal, decimal will be assumed here. and now shift the decimal 1, 2, 3. 3 steps it will shift it, and the number that is made is like this. Now into 10 to the power, shifting leftward and 3 steps, yani plus 3. Correct? Same thing with the next. Now decimal is visible, shifting 1, 2 steps, it becomes 5.0, or simply we can write 5 into 10 to the power 2, that is positive, or we can write it 5 into 10 to the power 2. Both are correct thing. Next question. Now in this case we can see the decimal is properly placed. I think we need not to move the decimal because decimal is placed one digit just before the one digit after the number. So here we need not to move the decimal. Then what will be the answer? The answer will be 6.0012 into 10 to the power 0, because we haven't moved the decimal point. And we should always remember this, 10 to the power 0 means 1. It means here 6.0012 is multiplied by 1, and the answer will be 6.0012. So remember one thing, whenever we are changing any significant number or any digit to a scientific notation, the overall value of the number will never change. Okay. Now come up to next question. So here we have decimal which to be moved towards rightwards. We can see so 1, 2, 3, 4. This much we will move until we will get one non-zero number before the decimal. So we will get 2. So we will put our decimal here, and rest of the numbers will be written like this. After that we will put the power. Now moving rightwards means negative. And how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. See? 1, 2, 3 and 4 steps we moved. So it is minus 4. Simple. One more same thing. So here again rightwards means the power will be in the minus. And steps how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 steps we move. So here 8.973 into 10 to the power minus 6. Simple. This is the question I have taken from NCERT textbook class 11 book back exercise. If you have more questions like that and you want the answer, you directly message me. Till then, thank you.